You are going to start by measuring your ingredients and getting your equipment out using mise en place. You're going to put 3 large egg whites, a half a teaspoon of vanilla, and an eighth a teaspoon of cream of tartar in a bowl, beating until you get soft peaks. Once you reach soft peaks, you will then add a tablespoon of sugar at a time, while beating in between. Once they have beaten in all the sugar, beat for an additional 5 minutes or until you have stiff, glossy peaks. Once you are done beating, take a rubber scraper and put them in a piping bag using a star tip. You will want to get 2 cookie sheets that have been non-greased, and you will pipe circles onto the cookie sheet 2 inches apart. Once you are done piping them, they will go into the oven at 200 for 45 minutes, letting them cool in the oven for 10 minutes. And there you have it. Your meringue cookies are now done.